Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create this cartoon character in Blender. Very easy and very cartoonish stylized character. Very easy to create this character. So let's create this character today. Let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. This is very easy character to model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.